Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to take you along on a quick Costco haul. If you are new around here, my name is Sarah and I am the homeschool mom of 5 kids. They are ages 13, 11, 7, 2.5, and 1. So as a family of 7 that homeschools and has dad working at home full time right now, we eat most of our meals at home. 7 days a week, 3 meals a day, that's a lot of food. That is a lot of groceries. And so one of the ways I handle this is by doing a monthly stock up trip at Costco. Now, I get some questions about this that I just want to go ahead and answer real quick. First of all, we have a very large food storage area that we have created in our basement. We actually lovingly refer to this as the Ralston Mini Mart. And what it is just an unfinished room in our basement that has some shelving that I have set up for an extended pantry where I am able to store dry goods like rice and cereal and canned goods, things like that. We also have an extra refrigerator down there as well as a chest deep freezer. So I have a lot of overflow storage available to me outside of just the 4 walls of our kitchen. So this is what enables me to shop at Costco just once a month or so because I have the storage space to store food in bulk. Now, as I always mention on these videos, I will let you guys know that yes, I do this once a month shopping at Costco, but we also supplement this with weekly trips to either Aldi or Walmart, where we fill in with produce and other perishable items that we need to be refilling week in and week out. Now, if you watched our grocery haul from back in October, you know that I did a Stocktober trip to Walmart, and we stocked up on a lot of the basic things that we needed to fill in our pantry space. And so that means today, when I was on my way to Costco, I was really just shopping for the basics, the things that we need month in and month out to feed our family of 7. Okay, so let's jump into the haul and see what we got at Costco today. So to start off, I've put all of my cold and freezer items here up on the kitchen counter just so I can get those put away first. Starting out, we just have 2 dozen eggs, a 3-pound container of sour cream, as well as a large package of Kerrygold butter. I'm super excited to try this white queso dip. This is something new to us that my brother and sister-in-law recommended, so this will be great for taco night. Next up, we just have a huge bag of the frozen broccoli florets. We use this a couple times a week as a side dish. And then I picked up this spinach and cheese cannellini or manicotti that we will use for dinner tonight because honestly, Mama is too tired to cook at this point. As well as this huge bag of frozen Grand's biscuits. We will use these a couple of mornings for biscuits and gravy. Next, we have our favorite lunch meat, this organic Plainville turkey breast, and then a double pack of hard salami. Next, we have just some sliced Colby and Monterey Jack cheese for sandwiches, and another package of New York extra sharp cheddar cheese slices, again for sandwiches. We love using these fully cooked chicken sausages for breakfasts for the kids, and these are the panko breaded chicken nuggets that the kids like to use for lunches. Next, we have 2 boxes of the cheese frozen pizzas. We like to eat these on Sunday nights for dinner, as well as a big double bag of this shredded cheddar cheese, Ava's absolute favorite. Next, we have a big 18-count box of these protein yogurts the kids like to use a couple times a week for breakfast, as well as tortilla-crusted tilapia, which is great for fish tacos for dinner. A big package of butter, just stick butter I'll use for baking. And then moving on to produce, there is a double pack of the baby carrots, as well as a Mediterranean salad kit. We also have 3 pounds of bananas, as well as a clamshell full of blueberries. These will be gone in a day. Also went ahead and picked up a pack of these multicolored peppers. We'll use these just again as fresh veggies for lunches. Moving over to the table, I bought a bunch of vitamins, some gummy vitamins for the kids. I picked up some more collagen for myself. This is just great for postpartum hair loss. I also went ahead and picked up just some vitamin D3. And then I also went ahead and picked up a double pack of this Castile soap. I use this to make hand soaps around the house, especially for the bathrooms. I also have tried this Pantene Essential Oils shampoo and conditioner. It just smells so great. And then, of course, hand sanitizer. Nobody can have enough of that these days. Next, we have my favorite snack of all time, the peanut butter chocolate trail mix. Oh, it is so good. And then we love these Black Forest organic gummy bears for treats for the kids. I also went ahead and picked up another package of the pure layered fruit bars. These are just kind of fruit leathers. And while we are talking about dried fruit, I picked up some raisins as well as a huge bag of craisins for the kids for snacks. And then we also love the Kirkland Trail Mix. Again, great snack for kids, as well as these sweet and salty peanut granola bars. We were running super low on rice, so I picked this 25-pound bag of jasmine rice up. We use this in the Instant Pot all the time. Next, I bought a package of the fruit and vegetable pouches, as well as the applesauce pouches for my toddler and my baby. And then here is a bag of cocoa powder that we will use for baking and for stovetop hot chocolate. The pink Himalayan salt is our absolute favorite, and I was just about out. And then I always grab a 12-pound bag of all-purpose flour every time I'm at Costco. And then we love these sliced peaches. We use these for side dishes, especially in the winter when produce is a little bit harder to find. A box of their organic chicken stock, again to use for all kinds of recipes and soups. The Kirkland marinara sauce that we love to use on spaghetti nights. We were running low on mayo and this was on sale, so I went ahead and picked up another big jar of Hellmann's. As well as, this is something new, I've been wanting to try the bacon crumbles to use with salads and eggs and different things like that, so we'll see how that goes this month. Next, we love to get their muffins from the bakery and cut these in half and put them in the freezer just for quick breakfasts for the kids on school mornings. And then we love these brioche buns for hamburgers and pulled pork sandwiches, and again, these freeze really, really well. We also have a big bag of their tortillas that we'll use for taco nights. And then they had these Cool Ranch Doritos on sale. I just could not resist picking those up. Every month we always buy a bag of the Himalayan salt potato chips, as well as their Kirkland brand tortilla chips. At the back of the table here, we have a giant box of Kleenex, as well as a huge package of Charmin toilet paper. Okay guys, well that's it for our November haul. Now, I'm sure there are some items that you noticed that we're missing that maybe you're a little bit curious about. First of all, milk. Our family goes through about 3 or 4 gallons every single week of milk. And honestly, even though I have an extra refrigerator, I just do not have storage space to store 15 or 16 gallons of milk every month. So we make that part of our weekly shopping trips at Aldi or at Walmart, and we will just grab that 3 or 4 gallons every week there. Second of all, I get a lot of questions about meat, why I don't have a whole lot of meat in my grocery hauls. Well, we tend to buy our meat in bulk seasonally. We will do 1 large order of beef or 1 large order of chicken, or I will head to one of our local butcher shops and just get a big order of several things all at one time and fill our chest freezer. So in these monthly grocery hauls, you will see that I am just sharing kind of the extras, lunch meats, bacons, things like that that we're just adding in for fun. The bulk of the meat that I use in our meals, I buy seasonally in bulk. Another question that I get a lot is bread. Where is all of our bread products? Well, I try my very best to bake all of our bread from scratch. It is something that I just really enjoy doing, kind of a little hobby that I started doing about a year or so ago. I really love baking fresh bread here at home. But with 5 kids, I don't always have time to do that. So on the weeks where I don't get bread made, we do go ahead and purchase some extra loaves of bread at Aldi. Now, along that same vein, bagels. If you have seen any of our other Costco hauls, you know that I oftentimes will buy several dozen bagels from Costco and slice them and put them in the freezer for my kids to have for quick breakfasts during the month. I didn't buy any bagels at Costco this month, and this was on purpose. So another YouTube mom had recommended Aldi's bagels, and so I decided to give those a try last month, and I was very, very impressed. My kids did not even really notice the fact that I had bought Aldi versus the Costco Einstein's brand. They didn't notice a change in the taste or anything like that. I had no complaints, and the Aldi bagels are much, much cheaper. So I am now going to start buying our bagels from Aldi. Again, they freeze really, really well. Just for cost savings, I think I'm going to start buying our bagels at Aldi. All right, guys, well, I think that's it for this month. As always, take some time and give this video a thumbs up, like it below, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. I post grocery haul videos like this at least once a month, and we share other types of content in videos every single week. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button to stick around so you don't miss anything coming up. Also, while you're at it, leave me a comment. When I was at Costco, I was in a little bit of a hurry and purposely kind of stayed away from the Christmas and holiday aisles. So share with me here what you are looking forward to purchasing at Costco this year for Christmas. Whether that is a toy or a holiday food, something like that. Leave me a comment and tell me what Christmas item you're planning to buy at Costco, and you can definitely help me start making that December grocery list. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna get out of here, get all of those groceries put away and organized. I hope you are having a great week. See you later.